This course is all about how to design and create an impactful learning experience for our global learners. We'll cover the key steps in the process for creating a course, from planning your content to producing your videos to publishing the course on Udemy and sharing it with the world. By the end of this course, you'll be able to use the Udemy Marketplace Insights tool to identify in-demand topics and refine your course topic. You'll identify the ideal learners for your course, determine and write clear learning objectives for your course, create practical activities and assessments, and understand their importance to the learning process. You'll create a course outline, produce your course content following best practices for recording and editing your videos, write a compelling course landing page that attracts the right learners, launch your course successfully, and use your instructor dashboard to evolve your course and grow your audience on Udemy. This course is primarily geared towards new instructors who've never created a Udemy course before and want to learn course creation best practices and tips for producing content. You'll also benefit from this course if you've already published a Udemy course and want to create more courses or revise your existing courses. In the next lecture, I'll provide a step-by-step overview of the course creation process so you know what's ahead.